The potential is staggering. If we do the things that we propose in this action plan, which is a combination of faster implementation of things already adopted and new measures, we will save significant amounts. Already in 1 year, so this year, 2025, we can save 45 billion euros. That will increase progressively towards 2030, where we will save 130 billion euros at least every year. In 2040, that year is doubled again to 260 billion euros annually. All in all, between now and 2040, we have the potential to save 2.5 trillion euros, equaling 1.2% of our GDP.